Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to store values in settings of your custom module in Odoo 19. In today's lecture, we will be studying a very small topic, how to set a logo in your settings menu. So what I mean to say is, currently I am in the library management module, right? Now when I go to the settings menu, you can see there are various settings and each settings have their own particular logo for it. But in library management, you can see there is no logo. So how we can implement logo for our settings of our module in Odoo 19? Let's see. It is very simple. All you need to do is add an attribute logo followed by the path of the image. So first we need to get to the code. I am in the model. Now I will search for our view. Here is our config setting view. And here you can see there is an app tag. In the app tag, you can simply add logo attribute equals to followed by path. First, your module name, RG library management. Then in library management, where is the image? Image is in static description and icon. Static description then icon.png. You can add any type of image here. There is no constraint of you have to add the name icon only, like in the main logo. You can give any name to your image. Now what I'll do, I'll simply restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade our module. After successfully upgrading our module, we will go to settings and see, you can see now in our module setting, we can see the logo is shown. It is a very small and informative topic which will useful for you if you want to set the logo for your settings for your module. Now let me just quickly summarize today's topic. In order to add the logo in your settings of your custom module, all you need to do is go to the config setting view of your module, search for the app tag, and in the app tag you can simply add logo is equals to followed by your entire path. After that, you need to restart your server and upgrade your module. You will see your functionality working. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.